Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it doesn't happen very often, but there was a out-of-band emergency update that was released on July 18th, and it is mostly for Dell PCs. So we talked about how some users with Dell computers had overheating issues, slowdown in performance, and there was a lot of problems with one of the updates. So if you go to your settings and go into Windows Updates, some of you might have, and I got it actually, in the update history, I'm going to show you here that I have KB5121767. Now, what's curious about this is to fix the Dell issues. Microsoft states that if you're not an affected PC, if you're not on a computer that is affected by the problems, you don't have to install it. But the problem is it was pushed, and it seems that a lot of people got it in Windows updates, even though it's technically for Dell PCs mainly. So this is kind of weird that it's going out for everybody, but at the same time, it does update that version number to 26.200.8894. So this is kind of a little weird that it's being pushed everywhere, but at the same time, doesn't seem to actually cause any issues for PCs that don't have the problem. But if you do see this, it's simply called 2026-07 update. Nothing else. It doesn't say any specific thing on it. And, well, it is a fix, the emergency fix pushed for the Dell computers. But as you see, I have it, and this is not a Dell computer. This is a small mini PC that I have here, which is a B-Link, and it just came on. There was a mention from some that maybe it's because you have the slider, get the latest updates as soon as they're available, that you have it. So possible, but I did see online also that some people that don't have that slider on still got it. So anyways, if it's there, it doesn't hurt, doesn't seem to cause any problems. And of course, if you're a Dell user with affected performance issues, this is an important update for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.